Alix.
And I'm Zoya.
And today we're gonna be getting creative and designing our dream kitchens using The Sims. What? I really hope we can find a way to merge our designs and find a middle ground. First things first, I loved Zoya's kitchen design because of the elements that overlapped with mine. I thought that was so funny. The hot tub in the middle, the bar, the pride flag, the statue of the woman.
Alix's Sims kitchen was very much Alix. It was ridiculous and funny. The actual hard work that goes into building the dream kitchen, I think we have our work cut out for us.
Our kitchen designs are so drastically different and we're really struggling to meet them in the middle. So I think we have to call in some help.
Some professional help.
Professional help. Let's call Connie.
I'm here.
Hi, Connie!
Hey, Connie.
Hi guys, how are you?
We are so glad that you took our call because we are struggling. So Connie, we sent you both of our Sims kitchen designs. What did you think?
First off, perfect, no notes.
Amazing, thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Okay, call it a day.
I feel like The Sims is a really unique tool because one of the biggest problems that I have whenever I'm designing a space is I can't visualize it.
Yes.
So did this help you guys actually see like the full picture better?
100%. It was really cool to play around on The Sims and use it for inspo for real life.
They both reflect you guys very well. Zoya, we obviously saw dark, minimalist. Those are definitely all your vibes. And then with Alix, we saw very fun, eccentric in a good way, very good vibes. I definitely know why you guys are slightly panicking looking at them. Whenever we're trying to like combine our style with somebody else's, the first thing that you want to do, you want to think about how different they are. That's like what our brains normally go to. Instead of thinking about what are the things that we have in common? You guys actually have a lot of things that you do have in common, even though it may not feel like it. When it comes down to that, you all both want something that works functionally. When you look at your picture, there is a glaringly obvious starting point. You both have a hot tub. If we think about the hot tub more as a concept instead of something literal, I think we could go more beach as an inspiration instead of going just straight up a hot tub. You might be thinking like themed restaurant vibes. It doesn't have to be that. Because Zoya likes more darker tones, we like going in that more kind of aesthetic. We can think of beach tones as a way to utilize color while also making it more earthy and natural.
Ooh,
I would say incorporate things like teals and stuff like that. That still has that almost like darker kind of aesthetic and vibe, but it also has like the bright fun pop of color. You both have plants. Plants are a good way to add like life to a space because I think that you guys can incorporate into like the cabinets and things some like darker hues. So if you're feeling like it's feeling too cold and stark whenever it goes into that dark kind of place, then I think plants are a great way to add like that pop of color and still having that more natural feel. You guys also like open shelves too, right?
I like a mixture of both.
I think you guys like two different versions of open shelving, but I think that that's another common ground place to come together on. Alix loves open shelves and to put as many things as you can put on an open shelf. Zoya, you like an open shelf because it gives a display for the pieces that you want people to see.
I love that. Switching the mindset into like, what do we have in common? Then you have something to work from. Well, thank you so much, Connie.
thank
This
you.
really helped.
Just remember, have fun, don't panic. I'm here if you need anything.
Thank you. I'm feeling great about the call. I think she had some really great points. I think both of us are willing to bend a little bit in those ways as long as we feel we are both in the kitchen, like represented within the kitchen. Having like symbolic beach, I guess, more than the literal beach.
So maybe not sand on the floor, but maybe neutral
colors. Yeah. Instead of the hot tub in the middle or water, we'll just add cabinetry color with the blues or the teals.
Do you feel like one of us is willing to bend a bit more than the other?
I think that's you. We have open shelving so we can put blue bowls or cups.
Blue bowls?
Low risk. Yeah, so you can switch them out. I'm most excited to find these little elements that tie us both in a unique way and make us really fall in love with this kitchen design.
We spend most of our time in the kitchen, so it is exciting to think about making it our actual dream space.
We're going less tchotchke, more chic. Chic-chi. But the gnomes are staying.
Absolutely not.
I know Zoya, she's an Aries, and she's gonna wanna get her way, but I'm a Taurus, and I am stubborn.
We'll see what happens. Let's get designing.
Bahausi ba burido hono. Wow.
You glitched at the end.